Mathematics, chapter number 1, page number 3. Assalamu alaikum बच्चों. Today we will be learning one new concept called above and below. How do we spell above? A B O V E. Above. Above मतलब ऊपर. And below. B E L O W. Below. Below मतलब नीचे. Now we will gonna see one example of above and below. For example, we can see this red box. This mobile phone is above the box and this pen is below the box. अब हम टेक्स्ट बुक्स में दिए हुए एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करेंगे. सर्कल द मंकी सिटिंग बिलो द ट्री. इसमें मंकी बिलो द ट्री किधर है? ट्री के नीचे बैठे हुए मंकी को सर्कल करना है. सो वी कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, सेकेंड पिक्चर, मंकी इज बिलो द ट्री. So we will circle monkey which is below the tree. In this picture monkey is above the tree. That's why we will not circle this. We will circle this. Second example we can see is circle the vehicle above the bridge. We can see this bridge over here. Which vehicle is above the bridge? This train is above the bridge and this scooter is below the bridge. So we can see here they have told us to circle the vehicle which is above the bridge. So we will gonna circle this train which is above the bridge. मतलब ब्रिज के ऊपर जो व्हीकल है हमें उसे सर्कल करना है. तो ट्रेन, we will circle train. Now the third example. Circle the object below the lamp. You can see the lamp over here. Which object is below the lamp? This cup. There are two objects, cup and table, but exact below the lamp there is cup. So we will gonna circle this cup which is below the lamp. So as we saw, this was too easy and simple. उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सबको ये चैप्टर बिल्कुल अच्छी तरीके से समझ आ गया होगा. अल्लाह हाफिज.